week had lost me for a day, but now I'm back home, and it's really great. Amazing. So this is the Black Lady, and it's a Shiraz. No? Shiraz is pretty much Shiraz, South African version or whatever. It's Shiraz. It smells
And you
good.
can only buy it here, no?
Oh yeah, you can only buy it at the wine estate. I'm pretty sure you can buy it online as well. Don't you think? The same price. So you can find it on their website. It's 250. Why am I promoting them like they're gonna pay me for this? Let's enjoy this. Ah, babe.
Hmm?
I was about to clean.
You're wasting my time. You're wasting time. Who edited that part out?
We will not. He won't even edit his face. Water. I haven't had water. Who are you typing to?
Yes.
Come on, babe. You're on the slide. Don't chase me.
I don't get a Warwick class. Sad.
This is the first white wine I've ever really liked. Not bad. I can
That's
see myself
nice.
drinking this. What is it?
The white lady.
Well done, Warwick, guys. If need to do a salad or a fish. This is good. Also, we pick the exclusive tasting. We'll let you guys know how that goes. It's like only 100 rand, and then the standard tasting is like 50 rand. But that's mainly for the wines. That if you're a wine fan, it's the wines you'd probably buy. But the white lady. Why are you typing so long?
So it can't have long.
It's a wooded Chardonnay.
We only make 66 barrels on the estate, and we use the 225-liter barrels, and each barrel gives you 300 bottles. And because 2015 was a very good year for us, the Blue Lady has been chosen as one of the best Cabernet Sauvignons in South Africa, and this is a wine that received the 5-star in the Ton Platter.
Okay.
Nice.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Any questions?
No.
You're still good?
Always.
Here you go.
Oh, that's my base grape. Base grape. Can't be there. You made it.
You're back again. Best grape.
Base grape.
I'm not liking this one as much as I like the others. Welcome to our room tour. We are in room 1203, and when you when you walk in, here's the door. There's a fridge, which is empty, oh, except water, because I'm obsessed with water. Then you have your microwave, and then like this is all mirror. But anyway, then you have your bathroom. This is a shower, and it's a pretty big shower. And then you have your normal toilet and your this thing, whatever it is, and the door, like basics. And then again, you have your washing machine, you have a place to wash your dishes, a bunch of equipment, no equipment, utensils or whatever, kitchen things, whatever they are called. And then you have a dishwasher, excuse my earring, and then yeah, so this is the whole kitchen thing, area thing, and an oven if you need to bake. Then over here we have a little lounge. Yeah, so then excuse the suitcase, but then you have a lounge and Wi-Fi. You get Wi-Fi. Then this little door thing you can move around. So you can fully close it off or not. And then when you slide it back, you have the main room. Don't worry, we're sitting on the bed. The only room actually. So like I said, the door is over there, and then you have the bed. I feel like this is beautiful because you get like window to ceiling windows, which is really amazing, right? And then have a mirror. Then you have like there's a safe in here, and there's just a whole closet area. Then you have like a mini balcony and whatever. So yeah, there's people staying everywhere there. And down here, then this is the view of the city. Over there is the ocean. Then a little pool area, but it's just literally the city of Cape Town, which I really like. What's up, y'all? So we don't know where we left off. Hi guys, so it just so happens that there was music playing in my background, and therefore I do not want to have copyright issues, and I already have a strike. So I'm just gonna voice over this video and let's make it do what it does. So technically what I was saying in this video is we were on our way to V&A, and that I had not been recording over the last couple of days, and and yeah, so I got a reaction as well, an allergic reaction as well this day, so I stopped recording as well. But however, I have attached some footage of whatever I could find, and it's mainly just the road, the views and all of that, as well as my airport experience, and then hopefully I'll attach as well. Bye. So now that guys, look at my tan. It's gonna take a while to go away. It's gonna take some time, but it's okay. So you guys just need to deal with it. We are currently, oh, I didn't vlog yesterday because my lips were like this big, but now I can. We're in the slow lounge now. I can't believe like my trip is over. Bay's over there, does not like being shown. And we just had our first meal. We just had our first meal and drinks. I did one half of the tour. I didn't do the bottom. We're on the top because everybody's at the bottom. I hope you can see because there's like a big window in front of us. But we can see all the planes take off. That's our view of the place. There's a monitor to check when your flight is coming. I think we still have 2 hours here because we had to drop off the car early. But I gave you guys a tour of the food area upstairs. The bottom one is bigger, but it's relatively the same thing. And then I'll just give you guys a tour of the drinks. I'm just having some red wine. As usual, he just tripped. Good job. I'm so sad. I'm having a moment. I'm really sad. But life goes on, man. This is like our second home. Well, it's his home, and guess that I need to make it mine too. So let me go give you guys a tour of the rest.
Oh, that looks yummy. What is that?
I want that. Oh, teriyaki. I love teriyaki.
Guess what?
Yeah.